Thus far, we have discussed a number of laws that are industry-specific. We have discussed civil and administrative laws. Cases of information theft, system intrusion, identity theft, and other crimes fall under the umbrella of criminal law. Let's look at a few of the common laws that directly relate to computer crime. The Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, also known as the CFAA, is a federal anti-hacking statute that prohibits unauthorized access to computers and networks. Enacted in 1986 as an amendment to the Counterfeit Access Device and Abuse Act, the CFAA makes it illegal to do a whole bunch of stuff related to computers and computer networks, from stealing government documents and committing fraud to sending out spam emails. It also prohibits the creation of malicious code. The Electronic Communications Privacy Act and the Stored Wire Electronic Communications Act are commonly referred together as the Electronic Communications Privacy Act, ECPA, of 1986. The ECPA updated the Federal Wiretap Act of 1968, which addressed interception of conversations using hard telephone lines, but did not apply to interception of computer and other digital electronic communication. Several subsequent pieces of legislation, including the USA Patriot Act, clarify and update the ECPA to keep pace with the evolution of new communications technology and methods, including easing restrictions on law enforcement access to store communications in some cases. The ECPA, as amended, protects wire, oral, and electronic communications while those communications are in transit, and when they are stored on computers. The Act applies to email, telephone conversations, and data stored electronically. The Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act of 1998, commonly abbreviated as ITADA, is a legislation in the United States that made it a federal offense to use another person's identifying information to commit a federal, state, or local crime. It also authorized the Federal Trade Commission to register complaints of identity theft and all federal law enforcement agencies to investigate and prosecute them. The passage marked the first time that identity theft became a crime in itself in the United States.